Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I will be showing you how you can make carrot stew. This stew is very simple and easy to make, and if you've not made carrot stew before, I ask you should try and watch this video till the end. This is my carrot. I've chopped my carrot into small pieces. I've my spicy, that's scotch bonnet, and my onion. So I've cut them into small pieces. So I'm gonna add water to it. Then after adding water, I'm just gonna boil it. So I'll make the carrot. So I'll cook the carrot until the carrot is very soft, so that I can able to blend it. And now, while I put the carrot on my stove, I'm cooking the carrot. I'm gonna prepare my chicken. Okay, I've sliced onion. I'm putting onion into my chicken, and this is my seasoning. So I'm gonna add seasoning to the chicken to make it taste. So I'm gonna add my paprika, that's my spicy. So don't forget to add spicy to your chicken anytime you're boiling your chicken, and you add salt to it to taste. So after that, while I wait for the carrot to get ready, then I'm just gonna cook this one. So after that, my carrot is ready. So I'm just gonna blend my carrot into my blender. So it's hot. My blender is plastic, so it has to take note of that. Okay, I don't know, maybe you can use a hot stuff inside a plastic on a blender. So you blend it. After you blend it, it's going to look like tomato exactly, but this is not tomato, it's carrot. As you can see, I've blended. Everything is well blended. So after that, the next step is to fry it. So you just do it the same way as you can fry your tomato after blending your tomato. So now I'm gonna add oil into my pot. So I'll make the oil to be very hot. So now I'm gonna add onions to it. You make your oil very hot, then you add onion to it. So I'm gonna just fry the onion for about 2 seconds. So now I'm gonna add my carrot, my blended carrot. As you can see, it looks exactly like tomato, but it is not tomato. But when you're putting it, you have to be very careful. You can splash a bit so that it will not hurt you. This is my seasoning. I'm using no cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So you just add seasoning to it to make it taste. So I will cover it for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna check how the carrot is cooking. As you can see, sorry, the light in my house is not really bright. So the water is beginning drying. So after that, I'm gonna add my stock to loosen it because it's very thick. So you just add your meat stock to loosen it, but you have to be careful. It's splashing, as you can see. So I'm gonna add my chicken into the stew. So I will add my chicken into the stew. So I will add my curry now. So you add your curry. So I add my thyme also. My garlic and herb seasoning. So I'm gonna add it also to it. To my paprika, I'm gonna add also. So just stir everything together. So I will cover my pot for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So I'm gonna add lemon to the stew. The reason why I'm adding lemon is because the carrot is sweet already. So if we add the lemon, it's gonna give you like this sour taste, but not sour, but it's gonna make it perfect. It will be not too sweet, not sour. So that is the reason why I added this. So my carrot stew is ready. As you can see, there is no different with tomato. There is no different with tomato sauce. So if you want to try it, you are free to try it. So this stew is perfect. The taste is, in fact, the taste is super. If you've not tried before, just try it and just leave a comment. I need your comment in this after you try it, not just commenting, but after you try making this carrot stew. I want you to come drop comments on my inbox. So I'm gonna serve this stew with rice. You can use it with yam, you can use it with mashed potato, you can use it with fried plantain, anything you can use it with, you can use it. So this is perfect. This is perfect. I give it 100%. Just try it and leave comment below. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. Don't forget please to subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.